Hi sir, I am Angel Trishane Manlosa Rosil from BSBA 1A. For my video, I will demonstrate the concept of balance under body awareness. My movement demonstrate balance because I carefully shift my weight to stay steady. For example, when I stand on one leg, I keep my body straight and focus my eyes forward. This shows balance by keeping my body controlled even when only one leg is supporting me. The slow and smooth movements also shows that I am aware of my center of gravity. For my overall reflection, this activity helps my fitness by strengthening my muscles and improving balance. It also supports my well-being because it makes me more focused and calm. In daily life, it helps me stay steady when walking, standing, or carrying things.